Ebusiafo, ended that. So our Ghana, me sure that what you saw on social media, no more when you were our day in Ghana was celebrated in a grand style for a very long time. We have not seen smiles for Ghana from when you madam. But under that, every child was very happy because they were eating balanced diets made by their parents. And now, parents cannot even satisfy the needs of their children. And so, from many feed in a while for another way, parents one pay one answer. But it's so beautiful to see that now parents are in a comfortable leader. Wotum wama wamba jollof, fried rice, Don Simon, Vitamilk, Ibinumpo wawo fufu wazema wamba on our day. This is something we need to keep up with because the children are yes way a future generation. What happiness and it needs to start from today. Inti Masrawa, whoever is responsible for the smiles on the faces of Ghanaian kids, he should keep it up. So our Benimu, so our Suru, so our Hino, and whoever that will come that will take these smiles away. Mbano, Nyankopon, Ompengu. Now let's keep these people who are making sure that our children will be happy in good shape. Now, as somebody in there, universities are all Ghana, to that Tech, UCC, and now other universities. What's it when Yanko Bizawadi? But my catch on there. Let's allow the children to enjoy these 4 years ahead. Now, you're guaranteed they will be doing you. Now, more than a day, all be lie.
All be lie. It be set up.